Hey guys, welcome back to our modern off-grid vlog. Last weekend we got started clearing some trees to open up our view, and since there's so many vines holding all of these trees together, we've just got a ton of vines and partially fallen trees all over the ground. So right now we're clearing all of that up and getting it together into a burn pile. We probably won't get a fire started today because we got a ton of rain last night, but we're gonna see how far we get and probably do some more road work as well. I didn't think that one tree was ever going to come down.
The dead one?
Yeah, the dead one.
The dead one's like hollow in the middle, so I cut like 95% of the way through it, and the little piece that was left was holding it all. And it was too dangerous to get next to it because it's falling apart.
Well, it finally came down. I kept backing the drone up trying to get this dramatic shot of like going real slow while a tree falls, and I kept backing it up, backing it up. It finally got it. I don't know if you heard it beeping, the low battery.
No, I didn't hear anything.
So one of the first things that we did this morning was go down the road, and about every 50 feet or so in the ditch, we put a pile of rocks to help slow the water down. And David went through and checked and said we didn't put enough rocks, so I'm gonna add some rocks. Luckily, we have an abundance of rocks. I wanted to keep that one.
Hi.
Cutting the last few trees, and they're all dead. All right, guys, I'm just going to catch you up real quick on what we've done this weekend so far, Memorial Day weekend 2021. We're still working, clearing out the area behind us where the house is going to go and where we wanted to open up the view. It's been a lot more work than we anticipated. A lot of viney.
Every tree was connected to every other tree, pretty much.
Everything was covered with vines and brush and briars and poison ivy everywhere. We caught our first rattlesnake out here the other day. And according to the neighbors, just so you guys know, they've said this property is pretty well infested with rattlesnakes. So we kind of expected to see some before too long.
Yeah, they're out now.
Yeah. So we are working on finishing up this area here, removing the brush, and We still have our road pipes to put in, and yeah, we'll take you along the road here and show you what we've done so far.
There's a stash of Mountain Dew right here. Is it Major Melon? Today on Cooking with David.
How to make any healthy food unhealthy. Add bacon.
So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what the top of our mountain looks like. There's some crazy big rocks and caves and things. I'm gonna fly up the drone and see if I can show you some of this stuff. And also, I'm hoping I can find it, but there is a rock that has a face on it. And we're not sure if that's why this is called Rocky Face Mountain or if just because the face of the mountain is covered in rocks. But either way, let me take you up and show you what I got. So there are just enormous boulders everywhere. And there's a lot of areas that kind of look like they could be caves or snake dens. I'm not sure if I would feel confident enough climbing up here on foot, but it is really nice to have the drone to be able to explore. See, I'm sure there's something living in there. Did you guys see something move? I thought I saw something move. We almost lost the drone up here one time. David was flying it, and I don't know if the compass needed to be calibrated or what, but the whole gimbal just started flipping out. I thought for sure we were gonna lose it up here. But somehow we made it back down. I'm trying to find the face for you guys. Might have passed it. There's a turkey vulture. See him? I'm not sure if it's this one that's the rocky face. It looks like it could be, but the trees have come up so much. I know I have a video that I took earlier in the year before all the leaves came on the trees that definitely looked like a face. I'll see if I can find that and show you guys. good, Cecil. Hey guys, it's June 3rd, 2021, and this morning we're getting our first loads of gravel on our road. When I first came up here this morning, right after we got the first load of gravel, Cecil tipped his skid steer over into one of the ditches on our road, and I had to help pull him out with his truck. And if you don't know this about me, I've driven the same small car my entire driving life. So anytime I have to drive David's truck or anyone else's vehicle, I am very uncomfortable. But we got through it. I got him out. All's good, so we can get some work done.
All right, so here's the unfortunate story about the gravel. We had a local quarry here start bringing out, we needed anywhere from 12 to 20 loads. We don't really know yet. They started bringing it out. They got 4 loads in. They called me. It was raining a little bit.
Just started sprinkling.
Yeah, it was sprinkling. And they said, hey, they're having a problem getting up here and they were going to have to come back. And then about an hour later, they called me back and said, hey, even when it dries up, we're not coming back. Our trucks are, it's too risky. Our trucks are going to get stuck. And they said something about they were buried in mud up to their axles, which I don't believe. I ran out here, left my other job site and came out that same day just to kind of see where they were getting stuck. And I can't find a single rut anywhere. So I think they just don't want to do the work, apparently.
They didn't want to get their trucks muddy.
Yeah. So after that, I called around. I called over 20 different trucking companies to try to see if anybody had some smaller trucks, tandem axles, that could get up here easier. And really, it seems like everybody's running tri-axles or quads now. So, but we did find one contractor who's going to come take a look at this Monday. So we'll see how that goes. That's pretty much it on the gravel. It's a little unfortunate.
Yeah, hopefully by the next video, we will have figured out the gravel situation. And also we're going to be starting to excavate for our footings and
pier footings and
our garage slab.
It'll be the first permanent thing for our house, which is always exciting.
Yeah.
So stay tuned till the next time, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye. I need a piece of straw. You recording?